Hello and welcome. So in your exam, there is a clear mention of understanding the fundamental AI concepts and workloads. So this is the key topic which has a weightage of around 10%. So we've already taken a look at the fundamentals of AI. Now it's time to take a look at the various workloads. So we'll talk about what kind of workloads are we talking about when we are talking about artificial intelligence. So here we'll take a look. I'll explain you that workload, and what I've done is I've taken a very small kind of a demo or a video for you guys to get a very good understanding of that workload, right? The very first one is machine learning. Don't worry if you don't understand machine learning at this moment, because we'll do a deep dive into machine learning. What is machine learning? What are the types of machine learning? So for the moment, just try and understand that it is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science, right? Which focuses on the usage of data and algorithms to imitate or mimic the way humans learn and improve their accuracy. And the best example we give is of a cat and a dog, right? Just imagine when a child is born, is a child able to figure out whether it's a cat or a dog? No. So it's just based on learning, right? A child learns, a child will read books. The parents will tell him, okay, this is a cat. This is how a dog looks like. These are the features of a cat, and these are the features of a dog, right? Same way, what we are saying is machine learning. It is the way we teach a computer model to make predictions and draw conclusions from the data, right? Just like humans, just like a baby thinks like a cat and a dog, a machine or a computer is trained, and this training is done based on a computer model. So what I've done is I've taken a video of say Netflix. So Netflix is I would say the perfect example, because when you are watching movies, and if you have to watch a new movie, you will see that Netflix gives some recommendations. There's a concept of recommendations in Netflix, and how that recommendations works, it works on machine learning, because it's trying to understand that, oh, you love more of say thriller movies, or you love more of rom-coms or romantic comedies. So it will start recommending those movies to you. So quick video on that.
Is trying different algorithms and letting our members tell us what sort of experience actually work out for them, so we can make sure that whatever choice we make is the one choice that improves joy for our member base.
Through the process of A/B testing, you learn what the next challenge.
Okay, so here they're just talking about A/B testing, which is again a form of machine learning the Netflix guys are using for doing the recommendations, right? The next one we talk about is computer vision, right? So computer vision is a type of artificial intelligence which enables the computers to identify and classify the objects in images or videos. Now, if you just imagine, till now, what has been happening is that you've been uploading a video, or you've been uploading, say, a photograph, but computers were not able to identify what are the different objects within those photographs or those videos. Now, with computer vision, the machines have the capability to interpret the world visually through cameras, videos, and images. Again, a quick, say, video on this. Okay, perfect. So you could really see, if you can see from here, a computer is able to identify each and every object here, right? If there was a ball somewhere over here, the computer would have identified there's a ball, right? These are all humans, right? So this is the capability that you are able to identify and classify the objects within a video or an image. Next very important one is NLPs, or the natural language processing, right? As the name suggests, natural language. How do the humans speak? Humans speak in their own language. Like I'm speaking right now in English. Somebody could speak in Hindi. Other person could speak in some other language, right? So now it is the capability within AI for a computer to interpret written or spoken language and then respond in kind. The perfect example of this is Alexa, right? So sorry, I had to switch off my Alexa because I'm sure when I said Alexa, it will wake up my Alexa, right? So the thing is that, and I'll give you a quick example and a video on this as well.
Alexa, open Amazon Math.
Welcome to Amazon Math, a fun place where we can practice math together. Well done. Next question. You got 5 out of 5 correct.
Alexa, announce I finished homework.
Okay, so perfect example of NLP or natural language processing, right?
Is trying different algorithms.
Okay, now we will talk about Gen AI or generative AI. So guys, remember there is a shift from predictive AI to generative AI. Previously, there used to be predictive AI, right? So there was a predictive AI. And here we are talking about Gen AI, right? The difference is clear. With predictive AI, we knew the outcome, or the computer was already told, hey, you need to tell me whether based on this data, whether this person is having diabetes or this person is not having diabetes. So I'm just feeding the data and it is giving me the results telling me, okay, this person A has diabetes, person B doesn't have diabetes. But here we are talking about Gen AI, right? Generative, you are generating on the fly, right? So it says it is a capability within AI to create original content. Very important, original content, right? Perfect example. Now, let's say you met your wife and you want to say surprise her on her birthday by writing a poem for her, right? And you'll just simply give certain kind of say inputs to Gen AI system, and you'll say, hey, I love my wife. I met her at this place, and these are her likings, and these are her positives, and it will just generate a nice poem for you. So that is perfect example of generative AI. So remember, it can be in different formats, including natural language, image, code, and more. So even you can ask it to write a code for you. Let's say you want a Python code to create a graph, right? So you can ask Gen AI to write a code for you, right? Or you can ask for an image. You can ask for an architectural diagram, how cybersecurity workflows look like, right? Again, an example of generative AI. So here again, I'm taking a quick example of, say, ChatGPT, which is like quite popular these days. Oracle is also coming up with its own flavor of Gen AI. But here, just to give a good understanding, we'll talk about the ChatGPT. So yeah, so here you can see it just simply said, write a 400-word review on gas sensor datasets, right? And within a matter of few seconds, it started generating the data for you. So, and it's in front of you. It's pretty quick. It's amazing the way it does, right? So it's a perfect example of Gen AI or generative AI. So I think with this, you've got a very good understanding of what are the various types of workloads in the field of AI or artificial intelligence.